Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the quantum number. What is meant by the quantum number? This is very important topic in the chapter, that is the atomic structure and the periodicity of the elements. So this is the first chapter in the fundamental of chemistry. First, atomic structure and its periodicity of the elements. The quantum number, what is meant by the quantum number? The quantum number means, it means the fixed, that is the number of quantum number. It means that the number of actual position of the elements in which cell, in which subcell and in which orbit will be present, and that can be identified by these quantum numbers. So the quantum numbers are the fundamentals for describing the arrangement of electrons within the within an atoms. These numbers define the distinct energy levels also. Energy levels, shapes and the orientation of the atomic orbitals, providing a basic basis for understanding the atomic structures and the electronic configurations. The mastery of quantum number is a crucial interpreting of the periodic table, applying quantum mechanics in the chemistry and predicting the chemical behavior also. And these articles, that is the this topic is the very important, and there are some uh, the quantum numbers uh, uses for four specific numbers and describe their unique properties of each electrons in an atoms, collected to help the identify the electronic position and the moment of spin within the orbitals. There are four types of the quantum numbers. The first is the principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, it is represented by the small n, and shows the main energy levels or the cell. It is also called as the cell occupied by an electrons. Possible values will be the n is equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. So this is the uh, principal quantum number. This is the first type of the quantum number. Second one is the azimuthal quantum number, is or the orbital quantum number. It is represented by small l, and this defines the subsets or the orbital shapes, that is the s, p, d and f, ranges from the 0 to n minus 1 for each value of n. That is how we calculate the azimuthal quantum number, that is l is equal to n minus 1. It means that their values are l value which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then this is the second type of the quantum number. Then third type is the magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number, how we calculate, that is represented by, this is represented by the ml. It specifies the orientation of the orbitals in a shape. Values goes from, that is the 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, that is minus l to plus l. This is the integral values, including 0 also, 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. These are the integral values. And then this is the third type. And then the fourth is the spin magnetic quantum number. Spin magnetic quantum number, it indicates that the electrons, it may be plus half or the minus half. Plus half, the spin orientation is clockwise direction, minus half is spin orientation is anti-clockwise directions. So this is the spin magnetic quantum or the spin quantum number. Spin if the electrons are positive clockwise directions, then this spin quantum number is plus half. If the electrons are anti-clockwise direction, then the spin orientation is minus half. So this is the spin quantum number and their types of quantum number.